Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education. Now we are going to learn and write 10 line essay on cow. Let's start. 1. Cow is a pet animal. 2. Cow gives us milk. 3. Cow has 2 eyes. 4. Cow has 4 legs. 5. Cow has a tail. 6. Cow has 2 horns. 7. Cow gives us calves. 8. Cow eats grass and chaff. 9. Cow is a very useful animal. 10. We should take care of the cow. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.